Get ready to explore one of the most magical countries on earth, Oxay, Turkey, a land full of ancient wonders, breathtaking nature, and unforgettable experiences. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 most beautiful cities to visit in Turkey, LUF 2025 edition. Let's start with number 1, Cappadocia. Cappadocia looks like a place from another planet. Every sunrise, the sky fills with colorful hot air balloons floating above. Tall, strange rock shapes called fairy chimneys. It's a view you'll never forget. You can walk through beautiful valleys, explore underground cities carved into rock, or stay in a cozy cave hotel. There are even ancient churches inside caves, art from hundreds of years ago. Whether you're hiking, riding a horse, or flying in a balloon, Cappadocia feels like a real-life fairy tale. It's more than a destination. By day, it's pure magic. Next on our list is Pamukkale, one of Turkey's most unique and stunning natural wonders. Its name means cotton castle in Turkish, I say it, and when you see it, you'll understand why. White terraces made of mineral-rich water create a magical landscape that looks like it's covered in snow. Even on a sunny day, for thousands of years, people have come here to relax in the warm, healing waters that flow down the hills. The natural hot springs are not just beautiful to sight, they're also full of minerals, believed to be good for your skin and health. Just above Pamukkale lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, where you can explore Roman ruins, a grand amphitheater, and a historic pool where Cleopatra herself is said to have bathed. Pamukkale is the perfect mix of nature, history, and relaxation. It's not just a sight to see, it's an experience you'll never forget. Istanbul is where two continents meet. This city is full of energy, history, and charm. From the famous Hagia Sophia to the bustling Grand Bazaar, there's always something exciting to see. You can take a ferry across the Bosphorus, explore old palaces, or just enjoy Turkish tea in a cafe. It's a mix of old and new that makes Istanbul feel timeless. No matter how many times you visit, it always feels special. Antalya is a coastal paradise with clear blue waters and golden beaches. It's perfect for relaxing, swimming, or enjoying fresh seafood by the sea. The old town Calais has narrow streets, colorful houses, and ancient walls. You can visit waterfalls nearby or take a boat trip along the coast. Antalya is where history meets nature, and every sunset feels like magic. Mount Ararat is the highest peak in Turkey, standing tall in the eastern part of the country, covered in snow most of the year. It's more than just a mountain, it's a symbol of mystery and legend. Many believe this is where Noah's Ark came to rest, surrounded by peaceful villages and untouched nature. Mount Ararat is perfect for adventure seekers and those craving breathtaking views. And that wraps up our journey through the top 5 most beautiful cities to visit in Turkey 2025 edition. About most beautiful cities to visit in Turkey 248 for a bike tour, rides to natural hot springs, from historic wonders to snowy peaks. Turkey truly has made Alif. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure. Your support helps us create more amazing content just for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.